Want to create an avatar on WhatsApp on your iPhone but don't know how? Well, look no further. In this advanced video, I'll show you how you can create an avatar on a WhatsApp profile. So, let's get started. First, open up the WhatsApp app. After that, tap on the settings from the bottom right. Here, you can see the avatar option under your profile name. Now, tap on it. Then tap Create Your Avatar. Next, tap Get Started. Now, here you will get two options, Create from Selfie and Create Manually. If you want to create an avatar by taking an instant selfie, then choose Create from Selfie option. Otherwise, you can choose the next one. Like I'm going to choose the next one, Create Manually. Now select your skin tone. Then tap Next. Now choose the hairstyle and then tap Next and choose Face Shape. If you scroll down a little bit, you can adjust the face shape if you want. After that, tap Next. Now choose the body type. If you scroll down a little bit, you can adjust the body type as well. And then tap Save and Continue. Here you can choose Style for your avatar. Finally, tap Save from the top right corner. And it's saved. To see the avatar, go back to WhatsApp settings. Then tap Avatar, and here it is. This is how you can create an avatar on a WhatsApp profile on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have anything to ask, then please let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.